2023 CBR 250RR from Honda Motorcycles Japan in an all-new white color. Powered by a 249.7cc parallel twin engine which makes 42 PS at 13,000 RPM and 25 Nm of torque at 11,000 RPM. Made into a 6-speed gearbox with assist and slipper clutch. The bike is equipped with Showa upside-down SFF big piston forks in the front and preload adjustable monoshock in the back with Honda's ProLink aluminum swing arm. The wheelbase has also been shortened to 1385mm. The bike is also equipped with up and down quick shifter, anti-lock braking system, 3-step ride modes, Comfort, Sport and Sport Plus.